Okay guys, so as you are aware that this GoPro is mounted on my sunroof, and there are times that I have to open the blind for my sunroof. So apparently, although the sunroof glasses looks a bit darker than the other windows, but I'm not sure. I don't think it's tinted. So I'm bringing my car back to Expel Malaysia to tint the sunroof, so that I can, whenever I need to use my GoPro mount, I don't feel the heat, the intense heat that coming from the top. And also sometimes under the hot sun, especially afternoon hours, even with the blind covered, or the, what do you call it, the cover, I can still feel the heat is coming down from the roof. And yeah, so that's why I decided to go to Expel Malaysia and get my sunroof tinted, so that at least it helps to reflect some of the heat or block some of the direct sunlight. So let's see how it is done and whether the outcome is good enough. Jalan pun tak sampai 20 km. Jalan pun tak sampai 20 km.
A few moments later.
So it's done. It doesn't look okay. You don't see a lot outside, but inside you can definitely see that it is now darker. And let's try it out. So I'm not gonna stick my GoPro here now. I'm gonna leave it on and let's see whether I can still feel the heat or not. Okay, so while driving from PJ to KL with my this sunroof cover open, so I don't really feel the heat that comes straight down from top, like previously, that you can really feel the heat. It's like something is roasting your scalp, and at least you don't feel it anymore. And also, when you touch the sunroof glasses, it doesn't feel that warm anymore. So I guess it's a worthy investment. It definitely helps to reduce the cabin temperature, especially all the cars that have sunroof. I seriously recommend that you guys go and do a tint for your sunroof, so that you can continue to enjoy the view that you should be enjoying, instead of keep it covered all the time. Okay, I think that is all for today, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video with the X3. Alright guys, stay safe, ride safe, drive safe. See you guys soon. Bye.